In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your Linksys Wi-Fi extender, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by plugging the extender into a power outlet that's close to your main Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Wait until the extender's light blinking orange. This means it's ready for setup. Step 3. On your phone or laptop, connect to the extender's default network. It usually shows up as Linksys Extender Setup. You won't need a password at this stage. Step 4. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type extender.linksys.com and press enter. This will take you to the setup page. Step 5. Click Start Setup. Step 6. Here you will see two options for setup. Select Wireless Range Extender, then click Next. Step 7. Now Extender will scan and show you available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then click Next. Step 9. Now, review the extended network settings, and click Next to continue. Step 10. Here you will see Spot Finder tool that helps you place the extender in the best spot. If the signal is weak, just move it closer to the router. Then click Next. Step 11. Create an admin password to access your range extender settings, then click Next. Step 12. You'll be prompted to register your product. This is optional, so you can skip it and click Next. Step 13. At this point, your Linksys Wi-Fi extender is set up. To confirm, check your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new network name, usually your original Wi-Fi name with _EXT at the end. Step 14. Select this new network and connect using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router, unless you changed it during setup. Step 15. After a successful connection, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. This ensures the best performance. And that's it. Your Linksys Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to boost your internet coverage. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.